Hey, I'm Vinny with FirstSpear TV. We're here at the 2021 ADS Warrior East Expo in Virginia Beach.
Are you first time at Warrior East?
It's my first time.
Yay! Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. We're gonna go check out the Aimpoint booth. Heard they have a new pistol optic.
We were the first ones to come out with this specifically for a pistol.
How's the battery life on this optic?
So the battery life on this is a 2032 battery. We basically put a bigger gas tank in it. It's set up that if you need to change battery to, you don't need to take the optic off and re-zero the sight.
Brad Runkle Laser Photonics.
All right, show me what you got.
Absolutely. So right here we got a 100-watt laser cleaner. We offer it in a 50-watt all the way up to the world's largest 3,000-watt.
Wow. What do you guys got?
Well, we got a number of things. This is Ballistic Eyewear, ESS Ballistic Eyewear.
All right.
And really the latest is laser protective eyewear.
So firefighters are usually in good shape. They're running through a building, they're breathing hard. How long is this gonna last?
This is rated for 60 minutes. There's a specific NIOSH threshold for 40 liters per minute. The 60-minute rating comes from that 40 liters per minute, but as soon as you start dragging hoses, going up and down stairs, you will increase to 80, 90. Think like New York Fire Department. When you have to go up
all the way up
40 flights of stairs,
okay,
that's not going to last you to get all the way up with the breathing rate. So on something like this, it is very tightly sealed. Yes, there is a risk with pure oxygen, but managing the seal on your face and managing your proximity to that fire is where the algorithm comes in to tell you how much air you've got until alarm based on your current breathing rate that we've built into this system.
Non-FOD collecting.
It's a requirement. He knows what
foreign object debris. That's a fancy technical
exactly
term.
Right. And
that's badass.
It is. It is.
It's called a Throwbot. We have the camera that's right here, infrared to see in the dark.
Okay.
To turn it on, you pull the activation plate.
So this thing's durable. I can just throw it.
Correct.
Search.
Yep.
Stick. Pull.
Okay. Yes. And this extends out to 6 feet. It's a robot and a pull camera.
Runway optional is a little tongue-in-cheek there.
What do you guys fill this with? Oh, it's a secret. Well, don't say it then, because everyone's listening.
Tommy Brown, Teledyne Flare.
All right, tell me what you guys do.
We have a family of small unmanned aerial systems as well as ground vehicles. It's the PackBot, over 70,000 IEDs to its name.
Can't put that on video.
You can, we just did.
We took the existing Scout line, we added this new swivel body to it. I can move it, I can set it up for a left-handed or a right-handed shooter. I can get it exactly where I want, so I've got the lowest slimline footprint as possible.
We make the water at the point of need. Instead of having to bring them water, they're able to stay wherever they are, put and resupply from within. It's made from the air in the room, your sweat.
I feel like this is the best water experience of my life. Can you smell the pot in my pocket right now? Got nothing to talk about. It's how I do my hair in the morning. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
FirstSpear, how are you?
I'm well. What's this?
This is our Aac Frog Kit, which is a similar concept, but it's a full maritime package. So now you have your BCs integrated, as well as your flotation, so if you're doing diving or subsurface operations.
You guys must have had somebody like really special in your company that came up with this idea.
We have a lot of people that are very special.
A lot of people. Okay, well that's good.
Absolutely.
Hey,
Vinny.
How are you doing, Eric?
How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself?
Smiling and waving.
All right.
Smiling and waving.
Heard you got something new. What is it?
We just developed a new ballistic dual lens glass. The frame itself, the dual lens orbital, easy to change. If it's like a low profile, thin stem, so we can wear that in a combat environment or a low visibility environment.
Tell me what Avon Protection does.
This is the MCOM 100. It's a closed circuit rebreather. It's a state-of-the-art technology.
Is it mixed gas or pure O2?
It is mixed gas machine.
Okay.
Yeah, we test it to 100 meters for military EOD divers that can gaseously monitor CO2 in the breathing loop.
Hey, where'd you get the name?
What we do is take fitness and make it expeditionary. So everything you see here detaches, breaks down, stores inside the container there. You can pick up in your locker, take your fitness with you wherever you go.
This is Spot. This is our quadruped robot.
Persistent radio, that's the range. Is there anything else you can do control-wise to increase the range or do it?
If you can communicate with it, it will do exactly what the operator wants it to do.
Genesis is a critical communication company out in San Diego, California. One of our product lines is LRAD. That's a long-range acoustic device. Basically a speaker, but it's a long-range focus beam of sound that comes out of it, and it's used in 72 countries around the world.
What's Oss Suppressors?
We are experts in flow-through technology. We can take all of the nasty stuff that comes out of the end of a weapon, we port all that forward.
You're in a gunfight, the guy that shoots accurately first wins, right? It's a stabilized mount. We made this to address core problem that all crew serve machine guns have, is that the mount do not provide stability or accuracy when shooting from a moving platform. Typically it's used as an area effect or suppression weapon. With our system, it becomes a point.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Vinny with FirstSpear TV.
How are you? Scott Williams from Wing.
Nice to meet you, Scott. What do you got?
So we've redone the keel. We've made it a little bit taller, so it's going to give the bow a little bit more rise. It cuts about 45–48% of the shock. So any of the shock off the waves and everything while you were running with a hard deck and beating
crap on yourself,
this cuts that in half. So your operator, once he gets to that location, is going to be in a whole lot better shape to go to work.
Hey, Stephen Hicks with Focus Research Group.
All right, what do you guys do?
So we make an over-engineered, robust IFAC. It's designed to fill the negative space behind your plate.
Oh, okay.
The idea of it is we need to minimize the footprint of the operator while still making sure there's continuity of care.